everyone, and welcome back to another great week of distance learning. Today's craft, we're going to need some new supplies. We're going to need scissors, a glue stick, preferably, but white glue will also work. We're going to need some paper, crayons or markers, and some cardboard and string. Any string will do. We need roughly 12 inches, and for cardboard, the heavier cardboard, the better. You're also going to need something to trace a circle with. I used a cup and I just turned it upside down. All right, let's get started. You need some type of string. You're going to need a pencil or a pen, a sharp stick. I'm using a skewer from the kitchen again. Some scissors, a couple markers or pencil crayons. I have a glue stick, but white glue will also work. A cup and some cardboard. Any cardboard will do. I just found a thick box that was in our recycling and I'm going to go ahead and use these. Let's begin. The first thing you're going to want to do is on your cardboard, trace circles and cut them out. So I've already done that. If you don't have big scissors, you might need to get an adult to help. You want them to have as smooth edges as possible. You're going to need one for this craft. I've done two so that I can make one for my daughter. The next step is you're going to want to take your cup, put it upside down. Of course, the same size as the cardboard, and you're going to trace the bottom just like you would have done on your cardboard. You're going to need two white circles that you can design with any design you want. The more color though, the better. So as you can see, I took my finished circle and I did a little design on it and I glued it to my piece of cardboard. And then I did it again with another design. If you are using a glue stick, make sure all the edges are really pushed down and we can continue. If you're using white glue, you're going to want to give it a couple of minutes to dry so that it's not wet. Then you're going to take your skewer, your knife, your pen, your scissors, whatever you have handy, and we're going to roughly find the middle. Don't put a hole in it, but we're going to find the middle of the circle, and we want to put a little hole on the one side of it and a little hole on the other. They need to be pretty close together or it won't work. Again, if you have an adult handy who can help you get through the cardboard, that is best. Thicker cardboard does work better than thinner cardboard. Think about a box you would get for groceries versus maybe a box of pop or a shoe box. That's going to be too thin. You want the thicker cardboard. And because it's thicker, you're going to probably need some help to poke the holes through. Once you can poke the holes so that you can see all the way through, you're going to go ahead and get that string of yours and put the one side through the hole. And you're going to take the other side of the string and put that through as well. Depending on what kind of string you have, you may need to lick the end or roll it or even put a piece of tape around it so that it can get through that hole. So now we have the two edges of our string on the one side and a loop on the other. You're going to take the two edges that are loose and tie just a simple knot. So if you remember from my last video when we were weaving that snake, there's no such thing as a wrong knot, but you want it to be as close to the end as possible. And then take your scissors that you have handy and just cut off the ends. And now you have a spinner. To set you up, you're going to want a finger in each loop with the cardboard circle roughly in the middle. So with our fingers in the loops and our cardboard circle in the middle, what we're going to do is go around and around and around and around and around until it's all twisted up. Then we are going to pull and relax. And when we relax, it twists back up. Pull and relax. Pull and relax. Pull and relax. Let's check out the other side. Twist, 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 twist. And pull, relax, pull, and relax. I'd like to challenge you and see if you can do this 20 times. Pull, relax 1, pull, relax 2. Veda, say hi.
Hi.